Oh, you know what is his average speed? 310 per kilometer. All those who are sitting on bench, rest is rest. Let me remind you. And all those who are sleeping when clock hits 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. You are missing out the summer mornings. I must say you are missing out the summer mornings. Come on. That's how your body will pace you up. Oh, come on. This is one of my fastest runs. Almost 3 kilometers wake up run in just 17 minutes. It was just a wake up run. I'm ready to go for my tennis reps. Are you coming with me? And there's the philosophy behind this. I'm sharing that later. But stay tuned. Let's go for reps. In 3, 2, 1. It's called wall therapy. Let me show you.